Let's build an automation that gets you out of any uncomfortable situation. Let's get started by going into retail and creating a voice agent. This is just going to be a single prompt agent because it's very simple, and we will start from blank. Then in the prompt box, I'm just going to paste in a prompt that I have from GPT to basically call me and act like my coworker Jen that needs me to come home and jump on a Zoom meeting for a work emergency. And I'm going to set this to user speaks first. That way I can say hello. I'm going to rename this to get out of anything agent. And I'm going to let it know what my name is. And then I'm going to click publish and add an outbound phone number. Now I'm going to go into Zapier, select a trigger, and I'm going to do webhook and catch a hook. And then it's going to generate this webhook URL. Next, we're going to use an app called Vibecode to create an app on our phone that will trigger the agent to call us. So in Vibecode, we're going to click generate app, and then we're going to describe our idea. So where it says describe your app idea, we're just going to say this is an app that when opened displays a button. When that button is pressed, calls the specified webhook. And then we're going to add in that webhook from Zapier that we just got a second ago. We're going to click save and then generate. So now it's actually building the app on my phone. All right, it looks like it's done. All right, cool. So super simple interface. It just has that one button that says call webhook. So if I just press the button and then I test my webhook listener, there it is. So now that we have that test record in there, we can add our next step, which is going to be to have the retail AI voice agent call me. So we're going to make the action event, make a phone call, and we're going to select our account. Add in the from number from your retail AI account, and then put in your phone number. And we're not really using any dynamic variables for this, so we're just going to click continue. And then we're going to go ahead and click test step. And I should get a phone call basically any second. So now the agent's going to call me on my phone, which it's doing right now. I'm just going to answer. Hello.
Hey, Joe, it's Jen. Sorry to call you out of the blue.
Oh, it's all good. What's up?
Need your attention. Okay, so listen, this is kind of urgent. We've got a situation with the Franklin account. They just jumped on a Zoom call totally unannounced, and they're asking for you specifically. I tried to stall, but they're getting a little impatient.
Okay, do you need me right now?
And yeah, honestly, right now would be best.
Okay. All right. I'm on my way.
Oh, thank you so much, Joe.
So pretty basic demo, just calling and making up some information about a fictitious Zoom call, but it will get you out of something if you have to hold it up to your ear, act like you're talking to somebody. The person sitting next to you or near you will hear somebody talking back to you. And all we have to do is go back to Zapier and click publish. And now the app should be completely working. So let's try it out. So now I just open the app I created on my phone. I click call webhook. And now in just a couple of seconds, I'll get that call from the agent that I just made, and the automation's completely set up. So there's that call from the agent. Hello?
Joe. Hey, it's Jen. Sorry to call you out of the blue.
And that's all. Now you have an app that will call you to get out of literally any situation.